Good afternoon and welcome to 12 News at 1 o'clock. I'm Sean Rice. Thanks so much for being here. We begin with three major decisions from the U.S. Supreme Court today, touching on transgender athletes, campaign spending, and birthright citizenship. First, the High Court is letting the states bar transgender girls and women from playing on girls and women's sports teams. The 6-3 ruling upholds laws in West Virginia and Idaho and says those bans do not violate the Constitution or federal law. Advocates for the ban say they protect fairness in women's sports, while opponents call it a setback for transgender rights. Plus, the court also struck down federal limits on how much political parties can spend in coordination with candidates. The 6-3 decision sides with Republican groups who argued those caps violated free speech rights. For decades, party committees have been limited in how much they could directly coordinate with campaigns. This ruling could reshape fundraising and campaign strategy ahead of the upcoming midterms. And the Supreme Court upheld birthright citizenship, striking down President Trump's executive order that sought to restrict it. This is, of course, a big decision here in Arizona. The ruling keeps in place the longstanding understanding that nearly anyone born in the United States is a citizen, even if their parents are not. Arizona Attorney General Chris Mays, who joined the case with other attorneys generals, says the court, quote, upheld the soul of this nation. She says the 14th Amendment is clear. If you are born in this country, you are a citizen. Three conservative justices, Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Neil Gorsuch, all dissented. President Trump is responding after the U.S. Supreme Court upheld that birthright citizenship. In a social media post you see here, the president called on Congress to do away with it. He says the court's decision can be fixed through legislation with his support. Trump also called the ruling, quote, too bad for our country.